Do you know many people are having trouble with replacing their HP printer ink cartridges? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open printer. Power on your printer and open the ink cartridge access door. Wait until the carriage is idle and silent. Step 2. Remove cartridge. Gently press the front of the old cartridge to release it and pull it out of its slot. Step 3. Unpack new ink. Unpack the new ink cartridge and match it to the correct slot based on the colored labels. Step 4. Install cartridge. Slide the new cartridge into the slot and push it forward until it clicks securely into place. Step 5. Close door. Close the ink cartridge access door and ensure it is properly latched. Now you should be able to successfully change the ink cartridges in your HP Officejet Pro 8620. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.